We have agreed that by the middle to the third week of March, they must give me the keys to this place.
Ni miario ya hau kabere ya mwandiki mukuru ministry-ini ya mathako Kirimi Kaberia igie kurika kwa Waki wa iharo undu uria ni mugaruku na hatiri kiharo ona kimwe kiri hakui kurika ica ikuhi. Gukiri uguo kuringana na muhuguni ati kuri no uhoteteku wa ngucanio ya timu ya bururi Harambee Stars na bururi wa Uganda mbitika-ini cia kweherania gitaru-ini kia Africa AFCON gugathakirwo bururi-ini wa Uganda kana Tanzania angikorwo iharo cia Nyayo na Kasarani ndigukorwo irikite guthondekwo gukinyiria mweri wa kenda. Miario ria kumbithitio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathako Kirimi Kaberia.
In September, these fields will be in very advanced and ready state. And even if they want, I don't think it would warrant us to move to Uganda or to Tanzania because, believe you me, if Bukungu is approved, it's only been used once during Sekafa.
Ndeto ĩno nĩ tumurĩte ciũria nyingĩ ciĩgiĩ ũnyitanĩri wa rũhonge rwa mathako na kambuni iria cietwo kandarathi ici na kana hihi mbeca iria ciigĩirwo wĩra ũyũ nĩ cirarutithio wĩra.
We are willing to accept where there are delays and we name them. However, I would want to say that we also must be willing to support good progress when it is there.
Kuringana na ene kandarathi nyeki iria irahandwo ikuoya kahinda kangi ka mieri ina makiuga wĩra ũyũ ũkũrutĩka mbura ĩrĩa ĩraura yanyiha.
Let us do quality work. Let us not rush to avoid the backlash and then end up with a shoddy job.
We are working in Meru and Eldoret, and once the rain stop, we will continue here.
Thutha wa Akenya na makiria edi a mathako guku bururi-ini gukorwo makiorota thirikari kumana na gwikururia kwa Waki wa iharo, riu thirikari ni yumiritie na guhinyiriria murugamo wayo ati iharo ici ni gukorwo cikirika ihinda inini turiukite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV haro-ini, njitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.